If you are advertising your business on YouTube, one of the things you might have noticed about your campaign is limited budget. What exactly is limited budget, and how can you go ahead and resolve this so that you can run your campaign without any form of limitation? I will address that in this short video. Now, when you say limited budget in front of your campaign, what it means is that your targeting for that campaign has the opportunity to reach a larger audience on Google's network. However, due to the amount of budget you have for that campaign, you are not reaching as much as possible audience, and Google is suggesting for you to increase the budget so that you can reach more people on their network. However, if you go ahead and increase the budget, it doesn't mean that you will not see that notification again, because after a few days, Google will still give you that notification that you have reached a limited budget and you still need to go ahead and increase your budget so that you can even reach more audience on their network. So the best way you can resolve this kind of issues on Google's network is to go ahead and change the bidding strategy for that campaign. When you change the bidding strategy for that campaign, in most cases, when you are seeing this type of notification of limited budget, it's probably because you are using target CPA for that campaign. So if you go ahead and change the bidding strategies to maybe maximize conversion, you will likely see that the status will change from limited budget to eligible learning. So if you see the notification of limited budget in front of your campaign, what you might do is to go ahead and change the bidding strategy to maybe maximize conversion or any available bidding strategy for that campaign. However, if you still want to retain the bidding strategy you are using for that campaign, you can go ahead and increase the budget to as much as possible, but not Google will continue to give you the notification of limited budget as long as you keep using that bidding strategy. I hope you learned something from this information. If you have any question, go ahead and ask and I will address your questions. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.